Okay, now we are looking at question 2. Okay. So these questions are on cells and cell division and yeah, on microscopy. Okay, something like that. Right, so number 2, they're saying identify the following microorganism. So they are giving us a description here, and then they want us to name that microorganism. Okay, they are giving us a description, and then we should name that microorganism. So the first one here, they're saying a unicellular, non-nucleated microorganism. Okay, so the key part here is 1, unicellular, and then 2, non-nucleated. So meaning this organism does not have a nucleus. Okay, so which organism does not have a nucleus? Okay, it's the bacteria. So you write bacteria here. So bacteria does not have a what? A nucleus. Okay, and it's unicellular for them. Okay, so that's the answer there. And then B, they're saying what organism causes or is an infectious agent, okay, but does not possess any genome. Okay, so genome, they're just simply meaning the DNA. So what microorganism, okay, it is an infectious agent, but does not possess any DNA. Do you have any idea? Okay, so this is a very common question. So these ones are called this word here, prions. Okay, so these prions are infectious agents, meaning they can cause diseases in a person. Okay, but they do not possess any genetic material. They do not possess any genome. Okay, but they are infectious what? Agents. Okay, and then C, they're saying are microorganisms incapable of possessing both RNA and DNA DNA at the same time are called what? Okay. Do you have any idea of what these microorganisms are called? Hello. It's very common. Okay. So the disease that is very common in Zambia is what? Okay. We can talk about HIV. Okay. So yes. Okay. So that one there is a virus. So a virus can only contain one of these. It cannot contain both of them at the same time. Okay. So it's either it contains the DNA or it contains the what? The RNA. So the microorganism that they're talking about here is the virus. Okay, and then number D, they're saying we name this organism that is being described like this with. So they're saying non-photosynthetic disease, okay, causing cell word eukaryotic organism. Okay, so the keywords are it's an eukaryotic organisms, it has a cell wall, okay, and it causes disease, okay, but it does not perform any photosynthesis. Okay, so what is that microorganism called? Okay, so that one there is simply fungi. Yes, okay, so this is fungi. All right, so we have named all those microorganisms, and then E, they're saying give 2 examples of groups of organisms capable as functioning as normal flora. Okay, so normal flora is simply those organisms that come into the body, okay, but they do not harm it. Instead, they start becoming beneficial to the body. Okay, so those are organisms that are known as normal flora. So the most common type is what we call as the lactobacillus. Okay, the lactobacillus is a very common normal flora. Okay, so it will come to the body and it will cause it no harm. Okay, instead it will bring about beneficial. So, okay, so organisms, so you can say bacteria, and then a specific example is what I was saying, like the lactobacillus. Okay, so you write bacteria here, and then you say, e.g., the lactobacillus. Okay, bacillus like this. Okay, and then another example of a normal flora can be fungi. Okay, and here the specific example that I can give is candida. Okay, very common normal flora, the candida. Okay, so this candida is what we call as a non-pathogenic strain. Okay, so it can't cause any disease on your body. Okay, instead, it will start benefiting the body in one or two ways. Okay, so it will be known as candida. Okay, so any questions there? Okay, so if there are no questions, I will end here. Okay, but the full solutions to this paper, I've uploaded them on Drive, so you can start passing through the written solutions. They are there on Drive. Okay, I uploaded. All right, so we end here.
All right, thank you very much.